Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. And we're going to start off on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, on the dollar yen, this is definitely a downtrend, as you can see. Ever since we had the end of this correction, it's lower high, it's lower high, it's lower high. There's been no break of structure. Right here, you can argue that there's some higher lows, but even right there, it never was able to break any structure. And these are all lower lows, lower highs. Going up to the daily time frame is where you can kind of see my main analysis. I do think there's a good chance we're in a wave C. So once it goes out and takes out all these lows, I definitely would be keeping an eye out for a reversal, probably back up like this. I still think there's a very good chance this is an ABC correction right here, and that we're still in a wave B right now, and eventually we're going to go up for a wave C. But this is the daily time frame. This potentially could go down today, maybe tomorrow, maybe even Thursday or whatever, kind of do like a doji candle before it potentially makes a move up, maybe at the non-farm payroll news that we have towards the end of the week. So as of right now, at the 1 hour time frame, what would I be doing? I'd be doing absolutely nothing but looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks to go short. Definitely not exciting, but like a lot of really professional, really, really rich traders say, if you're bored with your trading, then you're probably doing it correctly. What am I doing right now? I'm going to be doing absolutely nothing but waiting patiently for more three-way pullbacks to go short, at least until the daily time frame tells me otherwise, which it definitely has not done yet. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.